Hello, this is Steve Seifried of Seifried Cymbals. Probably wondering why I'm down here on the floor with my big pile of bronze shavings. Well, these tend to stack up and just build up, and I don't really want to throw it away. Scrapping it didn't necessarily make sense. And then I'm teaming up with Russell at Big Island Cymbals. He has actually started making things out of like melting down and recasting things with his bronze shavings. So I'm going to help him out and send as much as I can in one box out to Hawaii. So this is going to be interesting because this stuff is really fluffy, and I'm going to have to get it as condensed as I can to get him as much bronze as I can. So without further ado, here we go.
This feels kind of like that episode of the TV show Monk, where the garbage truck drivers go on strike and nobody's collecting their bags of garbage. So Monk can't stand it, and he sends his bags of garbage to his friend. He ships them to him. So this feels a little bit like that. I didn't know what to do with it, so I'm shipping it to my friend Russell.